Hello everyone, this is John Locks and I'm going to be unboxing a Hermes wallet today. Here it is in gold color. This is the interior of the wallet. It has like 4 card slots and a zip section where you can put your coins. There you go. And another slot there for cards. So there's a lot of slots that you can use for different cards. You can see the logo there in the middle. Okay, you can zip it back, close it. Then there's the slot for banknotes, and there's the closure, the strap. There you go. It's an epsom leather, and it's in palladium hardware. The letter H buckle. There you go. Very pretty. It is called Hermes Bearn Compact Wallet. What do you think, guys? Pretty, isn't it?